In this video, we'll talk about factoring trinomials where the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. Let's recall simplifying. We expand this binomial times a binomial by applying the distributive property. All of the trinomials that result have a coefficient of x squared that is not equal to 1. Now, how would we go about factoring? It's a little more complicated to go backwards. One method is called trial and error. We have trinomials. We know we're going to result in a binomial times a binomial if these questions are factorable. So in the first case, we know the last term has to multiply to 3. So we can place the 1 and the 3 in the last position. Both of our signs are positive. We don't know where the 2x goes. Does it go there or here? So what we do is we guess and perform a FOIL in our heads. 2x squared plus 6x plus 1x is not right. So the x probably goes here and the 2x here. 2x squared plus 3x plus 2x gives us the 5x plus 3. That's the factored form. Now this one's a little bit more complicated. We know we have a 2 and a 1, but we're not sure if the 2 is a negative and the 1 is a positive or vice versa. Now in the front position, we can make a guess that we have a 3x and an x. We do a final check. 3x squared minus 6x plus 1x minus 2, and in fact, we get the factors without having to try the combinations. Next one, the factors of 4 here could be 4, 1, 2, 2. Let's just make a guess that it's 1, 4. Now we need a minus, so we'll put a minus with the 1 and a plus with the 4. And in the front, we need a 3x squared, so we'll put 3x and x. And we FOIL. 3x squared minus 6x plus 4x, we're not getting it. The last term, of course, works, but the middle does not. So those aren't the factors. We'll continue with the 4 and the 1. This time put a positive 4 here and a negative 1 here. 3x, x. And we get 3x squared plus 12x minus, and that doesn't work. Now what about if we went, that doesn't work either. As you can see, this is starting to get a little more complicated. So once you go through all those possibilities, then you try 2 times 2. We'll put a plus, a minus, and perhaps the 3x and the x, and we'll check. 3x squared plus 6x minus 2x is not quite right. We'll try x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. 3x squared plus 2x minus 6x gives us the minus 4x and a minus 4. So we finally got it. We know we need a plus 3. And the signs are going to be negative. We'll try the x here and the 5x here, and we end up 5x squared minus 3x minus 5x is a minus 8x, which is not it. So we'll try this one. 5x squared minus 15x minus 1x plus 3, and that's it. So you might get really good at trial and error and be able to do these very quickly, but there are other methods, and we'll investigate those in the next few videos.